Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Traverse all-wheel drive Premier. This is the Redline edition, it adds a couple distinct exterior features. Mostly red lines on the wheels, red lines on the badging, these clear tail lights. I wonder why they didn't redline that. That would have been sweet. Just saying. Not insulting at all. But you also get your blacked out badging, your blacked out chrome. It's honestly a really, really cool looking design. And I'm a huge fan of it. Total price on this one, being the Premier, is $51,440. Not bad when you consider what you're getting for that price point. Not too many changes for 2021, just a couple, little exterior tweaks and different colors. With the Premier model, you also get square tailpipes instead of the round ones on the LT trims. There's that red badging. This one also has the 3.6 V6. There's that black bow tie. We can go ahead, pop the hood, take a look at that real quick, and then we'll head out on the road. Not bad at all. Dipstick, everything, nice hand warmer too. Pretty cool. This is Messiah Black Metallic, really, really nice color, especially when it's clean. This one has yet to be detailed. Just hit myself with the door. Good amount of rear seat room here, and then my 5'9" self. Not bad. Whew, it's cold. And of course you can, so this one's moved a little bit forward, so if you have a taller person back here, this one looks like it's moved all the way back. Yeah, don't really have a lot of room with it all the way back. With it moved forward, however, there's a good amount of room. And of course, if you want, you can move these forward, out of the way. Just like so. Keep that in there. I thought you could lift these, but I'm not sure. I might be missing something stupid, so. Virtual rear view mirror. Ready for this? Whee! Oh, I'm a freaking child. Ta-da! Pretty cool. Got a nice light in there. I don't get that too often. That's a smart idea. Leather lined dashboard, soft touch. I'm a freaking moron. I'm so stupid. Oh, I'm like, oh wow, that's a soft spot. Yeah, it's the start stop button, you ding-a-ling. Oh, all right. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. I'm gonna be in two-wheel drive mode for the drive. Someone from New Jersey. All right. Nine-speed automatic transmission, same as what's in the Blazer. Same basic powertrain as the Blazer. One little storage compartment, keep stuff in here. This one does have auto start stop. Now let's check out the power of this 3.6, which is really, really ample. In two-wheel drive mode, there's no real torque steer. That's something I was kind of worried about. It's not really existent. You can floor it and gets grip. In terms of comfort, just driving around, very, very comfortable. The seats are extremely comfortable. I could be in here for a long haul. You do have multiple different adjustments. You can adjust your lumbar and everything like that. So that helps a lot. I engaged all-wheel drive mode, just to see how that handles everything here. Volume controls behind the steering wheel. It's honestly surprising how well this thing handles. Traverse is one of my favorite SUVs on sale. It is absolutely fantastic to drive. It's basically like the three-row Blazer, and the Blazer is a riot too. I mean, I'm a huge fan of the GM 3.6. It's the same V6 as what's in the V6 Camaro. Nine-speed is fantastic. Shifts are super smooth. Almost can't even tell that it's shifting if you have the music loud enough where you can't hear the engine. It's almost smoother than the 10-speed, which is pretty impressive, seeing how the 10-speed... So same as the Blazer. Second and third gear are pretty much the same gear. I think when you're at 3,000 RPM in second, you shift to third, you'll be at 2,700 RPM. There's not much difference between the two of them. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.